The saying goes, dogs have owners, cats have staff. Well, gone are the days when your cat would expect to prowl the streets at night. Now they are so pampered. Here is a book celebrating just that at less than half price bargain. £29.95, beautiful tenuous publication, only £14 through bibliophilebooks.com. Architecture and interiors, here are thrones and beds, designed for the most stylish kitties in Europe. Dining, fine dining with their own little water bowls, grandma's kitty treats, shampoos, travel and accommodation, the handbag cat. What a lifestyle. Text is in English, German, French, Spanish and Italian. It's a huge heavyweight publication, just £14 through bibliophilebooks.com. Luxury for cats.